What is public speaking? Public and speaking. It doesn't mean all the time you go on a stage and speak in front of people. Guys, public speaking means the way I am talking today is a public speaking. It does not require a elevated stage where I should go on the stage and speak with the people. No, not necessary. Whenever you yourself separate from the crowd and speak and share your ideas and thought, it's a public speaking. Whenever you organize your thought and deliver, is a public speaking. But my today's video is all about why people fear about public speaking. According to me, this is my perspective. According to me, the only one thing because of that people fear. They always fear because someone will watching them. Someone will say something about their public speaking. Someone will say something about their ideas, thought, body language, their look, their facial expressions, and for this reason, people generally don't speak much on the public. Some people who are introvert, they are shy kind of people. They generally don't prefer to speak in public. There may be many reasons where people generally don't prefer to speak in public. But according to me, this is my perspective and your perspective may be different. I used to fear public speaking because I was not confident on my content. I was not confident on my language, and I was absolutely not confident about my body language and my speak. I always thought, I always think on this parameter, that what someone will think, what someone will make a perception about myself whenever I speak. But guys, let me tell you, once you start speaking, slowly and gradually you are habitual. You are habitual to share your views and feedback, and when it comes in your subconscious mind, all fear is absolutely vanish. But there are many people as of now, those who are still thinking public speaking is a nightmare. Many of people who are still fearing that public speaking is nightmare, and they absolutely avoid speaking in public. Fortunately guys, quite some maybe 2 years before, 1.5 years before, I was with the same opinion. I was also thinking that I just cannot speak publicly, and this is the skill which I definitely will not able to have this skill. But slowly and gradually, with some practice, I am able to speak publicly as of now. So yes, this fear has little bit now I have vanished. I am trying to get rid of this. So I am just getting rid of this. So the biggest fear of public speaking is what someone will think when I speak publicly. People will make comment, and people will make perception about my body, or my maybe facial expressions, body language and everything. So people think before speaking, and that's why they feel fear, and that's why they avoid public speaking. Yes, this is the biggest fear among the people. Guys, today with this video, I would like to thank all my community, Stage Speak and Go community, where I got this opportunity to speak in front of you. I would like to hear all your views, all your valuable feedback about myself, and let me know whether I am quite confident on the screen or not. This is just a beginning, and we are all traveling towards this journey. And the way I am feeling today might be you also feeling the same way, because it's a journey. We all need to reach somewhere. It's a journey of public speaking. And let me tell you, let us not have any fear. I mean it when I speak this. I mean it. Let us not have any fear, and let that the actual personality come out of our personality, out of our body and out of our mind, where we can show ourselves as a real public speaker, the way we have been taught by Mr. Praveen, the various tips and techniques we have been taught via various online courses, the 3 hours webinars, and the way we are being interacted in on the Facebook group. The way, definitely I am very much confident that one day I will come over this feedback, come with this fear, and I will prove myself as a public speaker. So public speaking is the skill where we think that what people will say, and because of that, this particular reason, we generally avoid public speaking. Guys, this is Vishal More, and I'll be just going further with yet another episode, and I am signing out from this video today. Thank you very